When it comes to projectors, there isn't a company better at producing affordable and high-quality options like XGIMI. With so many options already on the market, their new compact on-the-go build might take your fancy. This is the XGIMI MOGO 2. It is a compact, all-in-one entertainment system with features like built-in Android TV, auto keystone correction, auto-focusing and screen alignment, and that's just to name a few. All this in such an attractive and premium compact build. So let's see what all the hype's about and unbox this guy. XGIMI have done a fantastic job at wrapping this product in premium packaging. You really do get everything you need to get up and running straight out of the box. Externally, the XGIMI MOGO 2 looks similar to its previous models, although this model has opted to remove the internal battery, allowing for more smart tech to be squeezed in. There's no doubt in my mind the design of this system, well, it is very appealing. Opting for this brushed aluminium material, it really fits in well with a range of decor and environments. At a current weight of 1.1 kilograms, this projector is very light and extremely easy to carry around and just simply pop into a storage bag. By removing the internal battery, we have room for a much larger sound system. In here, there are dual 8-watt speakers and a passive radiator for bass. All of this with a clear window so you can see what's happening inside when you're blaring out your content. Because this is Bluetooth, you can connect up to a phone and even enjoy your music completely wirelessly. Let's take a listen to the sound quality. As you can see, even from such a small form factor, it is still able to blare out the music and it has some rich bass to it. Above that on the top, we have all our ports neatly positioned for convenience. There's a HDMI 2.0 input allowing you to connect up to a whole range of external devices, a USB port for streaming media and images from a memory stick, and your standard auxiliary port for external audio connection if you don't want to take advantage of that Bluetooth. We are powering all of this via a Type-C port. An interesting ability with this projector is to maintain its portable nature. This can be powered by a power bank. So although there is no built-in battery, we can still use an external one to emphasize its on-the-go usability. As with previous XGIMI models, this one also has a tripod screw at the bottom so you can easily connect it up to a stand or wall mount. Although it really is a desktop style build, it easily fits onto any surface vertically. Strangely, there are no controls on this projector at all except for the power button. Now that's not too much of a huge issue as the Bluetooth remote is jam-packed with control and features, which we'll talk about a little later on. When it comes to setting up the MOGO 2 Pro, well, there really isn't anything required of you. Everything is automatic. Now, this allows it to automatically keystone correction and focus. It works amazingly, and it is so quick and responsive. Pop it down where you want it, and within seconds, it will adjust to show the optimal pic. Oh, also includes object avoidance and automatic screen detection. The MOGO 2 Pro will automatically avoid objects on a projection surface. For example, resizing the image to avoid a light switch. The latter to that lets the projector detect a projection screen, resizing the image to fit automatically, so no resizing is needed to be done by you, but there is a manual feature if you're a bit picky. When it comes to picture quality, the image doesn't disappoint. It is only 400 ISO lumens, but this is more than good enough for a lightly dimmed room or completely dark. Here I'm shooting out at 100 inches and the image is just glorious. There is a DMD DLP chip in this projector, which displays a native resolution of 1080p using XPR technology. So the result is just as close to Full HD in terms of sharpness, contrast, and overall overall colour as it actually would be from a native system. Images just look glorious, the colour is great, and blacks just are so bold. There is so much in terms of smartness packed into here, even down to the Android interface. This is all controllable through that simple Bluetooth remote. It supports voice control. There is a whole range of ways to operate this, and because you have that remote, you can just simply ask it to do things. No need to type away. Asking it to open up YouTube, Netflix, or other streaming sites is done in seconds. The projector does indeed support direct screen mirroring. You can connect your phone instantly over the same Wi-Fi connection and quickly display presentations, photos, apps, and so much more. The connection, it is rather stable, and you get a very nice stable playback. Some ones I've used in the past are a bit stuttery, and it lags between the phone. This one seems to be pretty good. It really depends on how you want to use this, but here I'm shooting out an Xbox Series S at 1080p, and the image is more than good enough for displaying everything for a family get-together or a gaming experience with friends. The image is truly great, and I'm quite impressed by what it delivers. Even watching something dark and moody, the projector is capable of showing detail even in the darker spots of the image. All in all, the Mojo Pro is a very impressive piece of kit. It is the best projector for people that want something to take on the move, as well as providing a situated home cinema experience without breaking the bank.